Hello everyone, welcome to day 49 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this strawberry crochet stitch. So this stitch calls for a foundation row that's a multiple of 4, and for the sake of the video, I've taken 16 single crochets. You can again do this with the foundation row, or you can make a multiple of 4 foundation chains and do one row of single crochet. So now for row 2, chain 1, turn your work, and we are going to start off with 3 single crochet stitches. So these 3 single crochet stitches are going to be the spacing between each of your strawberry, and we'll be using this 3 single crochet. We'll be placing these 3 single crochets at different points to align the strawberry stitches the way you want. Okay. So now once we have done this 3 single crochet, we are going to start off with the first step of our strawberry, that is making 5 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Okay. You can see the work slightly curling up now. That's okay. It will be fixed in the next row. Okay. So we have 5 double crochet stitches. Now again into the next one we are going to make 3 single crochet into the next 3 chains. Again 5 double crochets into this. So as you can see, basically each stitch requires 4 stitches. That is the reason we have a foundation row of multiple of 4. If you want the stitches to be placed a little farther, you can go for 5 single crochets and a multiple of 6 as well. 3, 4, 5. Now again 3 single crochets into the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Again 5 double crochet stitches. Now into the next 3 stitches we are going to do 1 single crochet into each. So now for the next row we are going to change colors, that is we are going to shift to green. So I'm just going to complete the last single crochet with green and changing colors simultaneously. Okay. Now again chain 1, turn your work, make 3 single crochets. Okay. Now we are going to do a 5 double crochet together stitch. 5 single crochet together stitch. So we are just going to go into each of the double crochet and pull out 1 loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And we are going to finish all these stitches together. Okay. And make 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 2. So this is what forms the strawberry stitch. Okay, so we have our first strawberry stitch. Okay, now Again, we are going to pull out a loop from each of the 5 double crochet stitches. Yarn over, pull out a loop, then knot it up and make 1 single crochet stitch into the next 3 stitches. Okay, you can see our work, it's getting straightened up. Initially we had a work like this, so now the stitches are getting straightened. Right, now again we are going to do the 5 together stitch. Okay, now again we are going to change colors for the berry stitch. Now in this row we want the strawberries to be interlaced. So what I'm going to do is chain 1, turn, make the very first single crochet, and then we're going to start off with the 5 double crochet. So in the very second stitch we'll be doing the 5 double crochet, that is the middle stitch. Can snip this off. Four and 5, and now we have to place 2 single crochet stitches. So basically you have to, so the next strawberry stitch, it has to come here. So 1 stitch goes here and 1 stitch goes here and 1 stitch goes here. Okay, so how you can identify these stitches is there are 2, so till this point you have 1, 2, 3, 4 V's. You are going to place 1 here, skip this one, place 1 here and 1 here, and you will be there at the middle of the previous row's berries. Okay, so now place 1 here, skip the next V, place the 1 single crochet here, 1 here, and make 5 double crochet stitches. Okay, so just like this you have to repeat the next row as well. So do try out this pattern, and I'll meet you back tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.